still hustling.
Like I'm still on the block, but hey, I've been around the world getting guap. And I'm still hustling, and a nigga can't stop. Cheesecake, I get it all the top. And I'm still hustling, and I still don't make a play. If you need it, you can get this shit today. Man, I'm still hustling. If I need it, shout out, I'ma make a way. Hit me up, I guarantee I'm on my way, cause I'm a hustler.
I'm from Southwest Atlanta, but ain't no dreams. We just hit the block, them sacks and serve those fiends. Fuck around and get life, trying to get to the cream. Now I'm looking at life like, what the fuck does it mean? Shit, I'm going now, and God got me here for something. I'm trying to make something out of nothing. My mama still fussing cause a nigga still struggling, and I'm thinking to myself, why the fuck you still hustling?
I'm still hustling.
Like I'm still on the block, but hey, I've been around the world getting guap. Man, I'm still hustling, and a nigga can't stop. Cheesecake, I get it all the top. Man, I'm still hustling, and I still don't make a play. If you need it, you can get this shit today. Man, I'm still hustling. If I need it, shout out, I'ma make a way. Hit me up, I guarantee I'm on my way, cause I'm a hustler.
I'm the bubbling pipe, I'm the sizzling rock. These niggas are soda pops, they just fizzling out. They call me Nacho Supreme cause I come with the guap. Yeah, everybody on the block riding fresh off the lot. When y'all was rapping this shit, doing shows for the free, I was on them dirt roads, 23 for a key. That's a little overpriced, but I don't travel for free. Now I'm hustling me, this is Block ENT.
I'm still hustling.
Like I'm still on the block, but hey, I've been around the world getting guap. Man, I'm still hustling, and a nigga can't stop. Cheesecake, I get it all the top. Man, I'm still hustling, and I still don't make a play. If you need it, you can get this shit today. Man, I'm still hustling. If I need it, shout out, I'ma make a way. Hit me up, I guarantee I'm on my way, cause I'm a hustler.
I had a Delta connect, get them pounds overnight. Now I'm connecting the Delta on a first class flight. I got an Arizona kid, give me Arizona man. Now it's 20 grand a show, I gotta get in Arizona. The shit that we was doing, man, to get a nigga life. But the shit that we was doing, man, was getting niggas right. Would I do it all again and get me here? Damn right. Ay, I put down the mic and go to Mexico tonight.
I'm still hustling.
Like I'm still on the